What up, Ty Dog? Man, I got a public announcement to anybody that's trying to beef up with your boy. Anybody that's trying to catch the fade, you feel me? Anybody that got beef with the East. Anybody that got beef with the street scholars, that is, you feel me? West Coast, period. If you're trying to catch the fade, step up to the plate and get your whole chest ate. It's nothing to me. Matter of fact, fuck with me.
Catch my fade. Where your fist game at, where you stand is where you lay. If your footwork lack, I'm too swift on my toes to get caught up with you lames. I float like a butterfly, then bring the pain. Set up with the jab, then I'm knocking out brains. Halos, uppercuts, the boy don't play. The left hook is crucial, but my right's insane. So what I'm saying is you better start praying. I'll catch a fade from PM to AM any time of the week, boy. What is you saying? Hope not much, cause you will get touched. So listen to the words that I say when I speak. We represent the East, so who really got beef? Dealing with my team with street scholars, that ass. Show you a thing or two, we'll demolish that ass. Lay you cats flat, then I holler and dash. My fade, why the gunplay? Cash his knuckles, boy, you might live another cash. My fade, let me see what you got. Catch me at my shows or catch me on the block. My fade, let me see your footwork, cause one false move I can make your face twerk. My fade, so come on and knuckle up. Stand up if you're tough and get your head bust. Ayy, you better watch your step. You make a wrong move here, man, I'm snapping your neck. And I don't mean no disrespect, I'm just spitting the facts. No fiction around here, man, know that jack. My two both fists, I have to laying on your back. 180 degrees flat, just like that. See, it's a whole nother story if the guns come out. Cause I'll run up in your house and take your kids and your spouse and hold them for ransom till it's time to take them out. I ain't playing around, man, that's how it's going down. So knuckle up, get tough and test your luck. Cause I'm known to knock dudes out right out of their chucks. And one hitter quitter, one drop a nigga. Got Andrew and Elijah saying daddy is a killer. But this what daddy do when they step out of line. I deliver these blows like he's no punchline. Catch my fade, why the gunplay? Catch his knuckles, boy, you might live another catch. My fade, let me see what you got. Catch me at my shows or catch me on the block. My fade, let me see your footwork, cause one false move I can make your face twerk. My fade, so come on and knuckle up. Stand up if you're tough and get your head bust. I'm the last cat you wanna deal with, cause I be at your spot. Calling your family out, even your pops. I put the pistols to the side and I just use what I got. Cause I don't need no hollow points just to see you fly. My two-piece to your chin and have that shot with amazement. Got you foaming from the mouth and shaking on the pavement. Shut both of your eyes, got you looking Asian. A oosa with no patience, so damn it, who hating? I hope it ain't you, cause when I spot you, I'ma call your ass out and do what it do, huh? One by one I take on your whole crew, knocking niggas out, coming out until 2. You heard of Ali, well that's me, times 2. I'm bobbing and weaving, I'm sicker than flu. Known as a hothead, but I'ma keep my cool. Say what you say, but believe I'm the truth. Catch my fade, why the gunplay? Catch his knuckles, boy, you might live another catch. My fade, let me see what you got. Catch me at my shows or catch me on the block. My fade, let me see your footwork, cause one false move I can make your face twerk. My fade, so come on and knuckle up. Stand up if you're tough and get your head bust.